Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yelena and today we're gonna do tea party sugar cookies. So I'm gonna do some flowers first. So I have a rose tip. This is a large tip, Wilton number 127, and I'm gonna just pipe a little petals like this. Just go all around the cookie. I'm using my stiff consistency royal icing, and then I'm gonna do second layer just a little bit over the first top layer, just gonna give it a little more dimension. And with stiff yellow royal icing I'm gonna do some middle part, and I do have a little spot sticking out. I'm gonna place leaves in here just from the bag, no tip. I just cut the bag a little on the corner and it looks just fine for what I need to do. So I'm gonna do some pale pink, and then in the same bowl I can just add a little more royal icing just like that, and add a little more food color. I'm using Hobby Lobby brand, I believe it's Sunny Side Up Bakery, and it's that hot pink color. It's a really nice color, so I'm just gonna brighten up a little bit like that, and this will be my second color that I'll be using. So light pink and a little on a brighter pink, and we'll do exactly the same thing, the same rose tip, and I'll just little motions, I'll just cover my top of the cookie and a few more petals on top. So exact the same thing, yellow middle and a little leaves go on the edges just like that. All right, and then for what's the icing I have left over, so I had quite a few of those. I'm not gonna show you guys how I make all of the cookies. I'll just show you a couple that I done variations. And then for leftover icing, I'm just gonna mix it all together, and I'm gonna make my flooding consistency. For the other, I'm gonna do some teapots and teacups cookies. So I'm gonna do that kind of pretty, it's not too pale pink, but kind of a little lighter than the medium. So I call it pretty baby pink color. So this is how my flooding consistency looks like. So you can see it comes down thick ribbons. So that's what I like. We'll put this in a bag. See what I'm using glass, and I put my pastry bag inside of it, and I'm helping with my spatula scrape all my flooding icing inside the bag. All right, so make sure I don't make any mess. So this will be my flooding consistency for the pink color, and then I'm gonna do white color too, so that way I'm all ready to work on my cookies. All right, so this is for the teacup. I'm gonna do the body on this. I'm gonna alternate. I'm gonna make some white body with pink saucer like that. So I like to outline it first and then fill in the rest of the shape. So that way I feel I control my icing better, so it doesn't go over the edge of the cookie. All right, and on some will be pink body with white details, and white vice versa. So once the cookie is dried, I'm using my edible gold to paint all the little details to brighten up the cookies and to give it a little more detail. All right, I'm gonna leave all the uh, link for gold in my description box, so if you guys want to go check it out. I really enjoy it. It's very nice gold shade to it. It's one of my favorites. And I'm also using Everclear to thin it out. I also prefer that over any like lemon extract or just plain vodka, because Everclear evaporates very quickly. That means it's not gonna make wet your cookie. It's not gonna make it sag, or I don't know. It just evaporates and it dries in a minute, and you can wrap it up. The your cookie, I mean. All right, so here's, you can see how the cookie already looks so much cuter with all the little details. So I'm gonna do the same on all the teapots and the cups just to give it a little more interest. Oops, and on a teapot, as you can see, I did a little more than needed to be, so kind of got over the edge. And I'm just gonna let it be for a little bit while I'm working on this one, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I can clean it up, and it's actually will look pretty decent. All right, so I just take a little piece of napkin, I dip it in Everclear, and pretty quickly, while napkin's still wet, lightly rub the gold off your cookie. Just like that, and you can see it's pretty easy cleanup. Alright, so here's the all finished cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.